Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy PatrickStarrr. Yo, what's good? Yo, what's up, babe? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, babe?
I look so dumb.
Yo, you look pretty, babe. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Quiero una date para prom? Para prom? I don't know what the fuck I mean.
Hi guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a prom makeup tutorial. So this look is not limited to just prom. So you guys can wear this out on a date, when you meet the parents, for a wedding, for your wedding, for a party. So you guys don't have to just limit this to prom, but since it is the season, I thought I would do a prom look for you guys, and I hope you guys like it. And yes, I am a boy, for those of you that are wondering. I am a boy, and I thought since it was prom, I would just throw in a little wig or two or three and just complete the look with a girly outfit for prom. So yeah, I was never asked to prom, and I wish I was. I dressed as a boy for prom, and I wish someone asked me.
Yo, what's up, babe?
Oh, hello.
Yo, you look pretty today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
You got a date for prom?
No, no one has asked me.
So, you wanna go with me?
Damn, Tammy, you ain't gonna ask me twice, okay? So, I guess I have a date to prom. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. So first off, I'm going to prime the face using the LA Girl Pro HD primer. This is very, very, very similar to the Smashbox one. I want to talk about foundations, especially for special occasions. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. It's great for oily skin and for people whose skin that aren't sensitive, and it dries to a full coverage matte. Next, I'm going to talk about the Make Forever foundation. This is great for people with normal to dry skin, and it has this luminous skin finish. And last but not least, I have the Tarte Amazonian Clay, which is a full coverage whipped foundation, and it dries to a matte finish. I'm going to take my Deluxe Buffer brush by Morphe, which is my favorite brush for applying foundation, and we're going to apply this foundation all over the face. I think it's important to invest in a good foundation because we're going to be dancing all night, we'll be twerking all night, and we're going to be taking so many pictures for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and you don't want to look crazy or washed out with a bad foundation. Next, we're going to take the concealer, which is by Morphe. If you're a makeup artist, this concealer palette is amazing. It's super inexpensive, and I have a code for 10% off. Check it down below. This concealer is amazing. And I'm going to take that, and I'm going to take the Beauty Blender and blend it out. This concealer is long lasting. It is a full coverage, and I love it. And I'm going to set that with the Laura Mercier pressed powder in the color Translucent. So next, I'm going to sketch out my brows, a fierce fleek highlight using that same concealer palette and a flat-topped angled brush. And I'm going to take these eyeshadows Peach Smoothie and Cupcake by Makeup Geek Cosmetics, and I'm going to sketch out a crease, or no, blend out a crease first. That way the eyeshadows will lay smoothly and blended and fierce. And I'm going to take actually a blush from the Morphe blush palette. It's the 9 Morphe blush palette, and they're super pigmented, and I'm going to take this in the crease, in the butt crack of my eye, and we're going to further define the crease using the color Bidden. I know I have used these colors, but these colors are my absolute fave, and we're going to sketch that out in the little crease. And we're going to take up a small tapered Morphe brush, and we're going to highlight the lid using this beautiful peach champagne color called Grand Stand, and we're going to pat this all over the lid for that extra pop. I feel like this eye is universal for any occasion, whether it be a wedding, a prom, babysitting, grocery shopping, going to see your man that you know or don't know, and it's so flirty and fun, and especially for prom, it's such a great look. But with that being completed, we're just going to wing out the eyeliner like so, and then we're going to stack some Sherry Lashes by I Love Me, and we're going to curl our lashes, apply some Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and we're going to look extra fierce today. And what I love about special occasion makeup is that it's full coverage, it's full glam, and you don't get to do it all the time. So go all out, like get your makeup done or have your girlfriend do it, and you never know your full potential until you try. So don't be scared of makeup, you guys, because it comes off. Next, I'm going to take the Inglot liner, I'm going to line the inner rim of my eye, and then we're going to take Bitten by Makeup Geek, and we're going to smoke this bitch out, because you want to look sexy, you want to look cute, you know, you don't want to be looking cute by yourself on the dance floor, so like smoke it out so you can twerk with that boy you've always wanted to be twerking with. Okay, so next we're going to take the contour shades by Anastasia, and we're going to bronze the face because, you know, I want to look skinny on the dance floor. And we're just going to contour our double chin, our cheekbones. We're going to snatch that nose so I look cute, and we're going to highlight the eyes using this dense tapered Pretty Girls brushes. It's by Pretty Girl. And we're going to highlight, and then we're going to take a peach blush. I know there's a lot of pink in the eyes, and I'm going to do like a little pink on the lips, like a pink coral. So I don't want to have a matchy look with the blush. I think the coral kind of breaks it down and makes it look more harmonious and put together. So I'm highlighting right now with the Pro Sculpting Duo by Makeup Forever in the gold in number 2. And then I'm going to take my favorite lip liner ever by Makeup Forever in the color C5. It gives it kind of like that natural, you see that natural lip color but better. And then we're going to take Tarte's, what is this, Lip Surgeon's Chubby Stick, I believe, in the color Serene. We're going to top off the lips to make them look juicy, these DSL, you know, for the boys on the dance floor on prom night, you know what I'm saying, in the color Shimmer of Hope. And then we're going to take a setting spray and douse ourselves so my face does not move when I'm making out with all these boys. I'm just kidding. When we're dancing and taking photographs. The spray that I use is by LA Girl, and it's so inexpensive. And check it out. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys had so much fun. I had so much fun recording this and editing this for you. And I hope you guys have a wonderful prom, a safe prom. Tag me if you try this look. Check out this video. Subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.